Hello, welcome back. Burrata, burrata, you heard me. This delicious Italian dish. I've been in Italy, but the first time I tried burrata was in the United States in a restaurant in a place called Little Italy in Boston, Massachusetts. That thing was delicious. It was from a family-owned restaurant and it was delicious. So I have prepared burrata a few times after that. And the thing is so fulfilling that you can eat it as a dinner. Stay healthy, delicious. Go nowhere, let's create. So here are the ingredients. I have mozzarella cheese, fresh basil. I have a red bell pepper, which I'm going to cut a tomato, same technique. Extra virgin olive oil, I'm going Italian. And I go with some balsamic vinegar. And I have a loaf of bread. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to grab a clean rag. You're going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil because you're going to put in the griddle, getting the griddle ready. Very high heat. Start adding the vegetables. So I had them for a couple minutes and I took them out. Now I'm going to turn the peppers around too. Do the same on the other side.